All right, everybody, it's parts haul time number 2 for the moped projects. This is predominantly all the stuff for the front end as well as some of the support parts for it. So let's dive in. Let's see what we got today. First and foremost, the borderline elephant in the room, because of how long and big this is, you can imagine it's the handlebar. I don't know if I messed up and bought 2, but I have 2 neochrome front axles. Maybe they threw in a free one. I don't know. I'll have to check the manifest because I'm pretty sure I only bought 1. But either way, we have more. Of course, the good old 10W40 scooter motor oil. We are going to need this for sure for this GY6. The actual brake caliper adapter from the tree to the actual wheel hub, because we're converting from a drum brake to a disc brake. Good old-fashioned clear fuel line. This part took me a second to figure out what it was. This is actually the piece that will hold the handlebars as well as my light indicators for both turn signals and high beams. Got a kickstand, something that I somehow never bought for the Honda Metropolitan, but we got one now. That's actually really cool. They actually included a free little lapel pin as the fat adapter. I gotta say, that's probably gonna get worn with my suits. I like that a lot. I believe this is the footrest assembly, or part of it. I'm not entirely sure. We'll find out when it's time for construction. The box on this one's a little bit damaged, but based on what I'm seeing on the inside, I don't think the part is. I'm gonna check it right now. Yep, we're good. We're good, no harm, no foul. This is the quick throttle with the different throttle positions on the side. We needed one of these given that I only had the one on the Metro. And of course, in the other PSP box is the decompression tube. This is just for when things get really high. Think of it like a puke can, except there's no can. It just kind of has enough length so that stuff slides back in like it should. One of the big boys of the box, our wheel hub assembly. This has the stuff on it so we can bolt to a wheel and then to a brake hub. We have our new flat lug nuts so we can mount the wheels nice and perfectly straight. And if memory serves, I do believe that this is the axle spacer kit so that I can actually fit the wheels nice perfectly in the middle as I should with the ruckus tree. And of course, with all of these conversions, I'm going to be losing where I mount my license plate, except I now have an adapter bracket, so I will be able to mount it to the rear of the bike and stay legal. This is one of the most nondescript, just generic brown cardboard. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, cool. Brand new rear shock. There's a little bit of preload. I'll probably dial it in to be a little bit heavier, given that I'm a heavier rider. Brake rotor. Now this has a quality check, controlled and tested sticker on it, so I'm curious as to what's in here, given that I see why they did it. The bag's a little bit messed up. It says sweeping LED. Is this the tail lights? Did I order the tail lights this time around? Moment of truth. Oh, they are in fact the tail lights with the controller. And I believe, yep, the mounting hardware. Given that I've now got a proper controller and this will actually do the thing where it indicates one way or the other. Oh yeah, I'm excited for that. Of course, a brand new Iridium NGK spark plug. The Adolin loaded front caliper. This has the brakes already installed, it looks like. Yep, preloaded, already installed. These are so gorgeous. I love everything from Adolin brand because they just look really good and work really well from my experience. And it does in fact actually come with the banjo for this thing. I was wondering if I was going to need to buy one, but no, as per usual, they thought of it all. And last but certainly not least, these are the Adolin brake levers. This one already loaded with the switch on there, which means I can save the other one to restore the one on the blue Metropolitan. And it's got the different degrees. Oh, this is why I love these. Fully adjustable for how long your fingers are for your handle pulls. So you can either make them real nice and short or fully extended on 6. I love this so much. Oh, and in case you thought it was only 1, allow me to correct the record. It is in fact 2. This one has an actual brake reservoir on here with the line right there, and I believe this piece, if I remember correctly, is for my mirror. This is going to make my ride quality that much better.